Hey guys, so let me find a good spot. Hold on. Hey guys, so your girl is in Sydney now. I have just come here to do an acting class over the weekend, and I did want to stay here for like a whole week to just experience the city and stuff, but accommodation in Sydney is just wildly expensive, so I couldn't stay for a whole week, but I've got an extra couple days or a day and a half. So I'm going to try and squeeze as much things in as I can during those days. But yeah, I've got my first day of class today. It's Saturday the 6th of April, and I just flew in yesterday and I arrived later than, sorry, I forgot the TV on. Hopefully you can't really hear it. But yeah, I landed 9 p.m. last night because we had to stay in the air for like an extra hour and a bit longer than that because it was really bad weather in Sydney, and they had closed all the runways in the Sydney airport, so they were only using one runway. So we had to stay in the air for a bit longer, so I had to land a little late. So I've only had like 5 hours of sleep. But yeah, we're going strong. We're at it. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys later. Oh wait, let me show you guys my outfit. So the top is from Universal Store. Jacket is Dickies. I can't remember where I got it from. Maybe ASOS or something. I don't remember. And then the jeans are Glassons, and then my Travis Scott low Jordans. And then I've got my diesel bag, but I'm going to be carrying a tote bag to carry my book and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the look. And then I'm gonna take this necklace off before I get into class because I don't want to be too like extra, but I'm gonna wear it before and during the break because in case I get some cute pics somewhere. So yeah, and it has been raining in Sydney, but apparently it's not meant to rain today. Apparently it's meant to be sunny and like 26 degrees or something. But yeah, I'm just wearing a short sleeve top with a jacket just in case I get cold, because I am always cold. Okay guys, filming this a little bit super quickly because I have to go meet my friend in my hotel lobby because we are going out to dinner, and I hope you can understand what I'm even saying, but yeah, I have to go because we have to walk there and we're running a bit late. So yeah, this is the fit. Top motel, pants liners, shoes.
Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick.
Hey guys, so now it is the next day. It is Sunday the 7th of April, and I'm going to go to my second class today. It's the last day of my like weekend class course thing that I was doing here in Sydney it's for acting, by the way. But yeah, anyway, my fit is super basic today. I'll show you guys in a sec. But yeah, I ended up going out to dinner last night. We went to this restaurant called Toddy's. It's so popular here in Sydney, so I had to come while I was here, and it's pretty much the only like night out I'm having over my stay because my best friend was only free last night. Yeah, and I know other people in Sydney, but I'm not like super close with them, and the people I was super close to have now left Sydney. So yeah, but that's fine. And yeah, I don't really want to go out by myself in a city that I don't know, whereas in Melbourne I was totally fine doing that because I knew the city really well and all that stuff. But I don't know Sydney, so I'm not really wanting to go out by myself. I will see if I change my mind for tomorrow night, if there's somewhere local I end up finding out about. But yeah, anyway, I'll show you guys the fit. Top is from Universal, jeans are Glassons, and then again my Travis Scott low Jordans because they're my fave, and the diesel bag again. And of course I'm gonna take a tote bag for my book and pens and things like that. Anyway, I need to go to Starbucks because I need to get breakfast. Guys, I think I showed you this yesterday, but I love this mirror because the lighting is so good. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. Oh my god, it's Monday. It's my last full day here in Sydney and it's my free day, so I'm gonna go shopping around in the city, and there's like so many things I want to do, so I'm just gonna see how long I take to see what I can fit in today. So I'm gonna go to this like patisserie bakery thing for breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to like the main shopping area of the city here, which is like the Westfield in the city, and then Pitt Street, George Street, those places, and then it's gonna walk past. And then I also want to go to the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Opera House, because like you can't come to Sydney and not see those things. I have seen them before, but I'm like, I don't know, you just can't come and not go there. So I want to try and do that. And there's also like a Banksy art exhibition here, so I really want to see that. And then I also want to go to the Bondi Junction shopping centre, because I went in for like a second in my class break yesterday, but I didn't have enough time to look around. But there was a Brandy Melville there, and there was Glassons there, and we don't have those two stores in Perth. I haven't been to Brandy Melville since I went to America in 2019, so I'm like, I want to go like so bad, get some like essentials and stuff. But that's that. And then there's also this really good like gelato place that I walked past yesterday, and it looked amazing, so I really want to go there too. But we'll see how long shopping takes me. And yeah, I don't know, I won't be able to fit everything in one day. It's either going to be Banksy or Bondi Junction, and then I also got to fit in like to eat somewhere as well. I don't know where I want to go. I think I'm gonna do like a late lunch / early dinner kind of thing. So yeah, but I'll show you the fit. Okay, so this is the fit today, suited in Sydney. So I've got my blazer from Nasty Gal, top is Glassons, the pants I got from Zara, and then I'm wearing my black Travis Scott Jordans. So yeah, that's the fit for today. And I was debating whether or not to wear my bangs, but I think it just looks better without. But yeah, I don't know if I'm like I'm probably too dressed up, but like I'm always too dressed up. And also it's gonna be 26 today, but it's gonna be like mostly cloudy, so it's not gonna be too hot. And this is like no sleeves, so I think I should be okay with this. I shouldn't get too hot, but I am gonna be walking around a lot, so I don't know. Oh, and then my diesel bag too. And also I just remembered I have to find a good spot for like to take photos, so I'm going to be carrying my tripod with me, which that's going to be a bit annoying carrying that thing around, because when I was in Melbourne I was carrying it like all the time to take photos and stuff. But yeah, and I will take my camera with me too. Why is it so yellow? Hello. Okay, not yellow anymore. Anyway, super quick update. I just went shopping and stuff in the city, and now I just got back to my hotel to change, because, well, first of all, I want to change anyway, but I just realized I need to retouch my lip color, so I'll do that in a sec. But yeah, I wanted to change anyway, but also the outfit I was wearing, the black blazer, totally like ruined. I don't know if you can really see in this lighting. My bag, like it's gone all like blue and stuff. Do you see? So if anyone has any good white leather cleaner recommendations, please let me know. It should clean out because it is real leather, but I don't know. But yeah, this is the second fit. I'm planning on going to Bondi Junction. I feel like I'm leaving a little bit late, so yeah, but whatever. I'm going anyway. So yeah.
But I can't wait no more. Let me get I can get every time I think about you,
Okay guys, so I'm back at the hotel now. I just took off all my jewelry and my lips are like half off because I like just had ice cream at Bondi Junction, which I would have just shown you. I saw this ice cream place at Bondi Junction yesterday because like my class was near there, and I was like, I need to try that, but yesterday I had to have lunch, so I'm like, I'm not gonna have ice cream. Really wanted to go back and have that today, which I did. So it was amazing. It was delicious, and what I got was a size small, but he like packed it on, like it felt like it was like 2 scoops, and I thought small would just be 1 scoop. But yeah, it was delicious. But yeah, now I just got back to the hotel. I didn't end up getting any photos in this outfit because I couldn't really find a spot where I could like set up my tripod and like take pictures by myself. Like it's a bit hard trying to take pictures by yourself, but if I had someone else, like there were good spots for photos. But like when you're by yourself and there's constantly like people walking around and stuff, like it's a bit hard. You don't want to just like, you know, leave your phone on a tripod, you know. You don't know who you can trust these days. But yeah, anyway, I'm back at the hotel. I'm gonna take off my makeup, chill out a bit. I'm like charging the iPad so I can watch stuff on the plane. And I think tomorrow I want to go to that Banksy like art exhibition thing that I was telling you guys about. I think I told you guys about. And I walked past where it is like today, so I might do that tomorrow. I was potentially meeting up with my agent, but I'm not 100% sure if I still am. So oh yeah, by the way guys, I have an acting agent. I just signed with her like the week of my birthday basically, which was, my birthday was 7th of March, so it was like that first week of March. So yeah, I'm so excited. I did my first audition last week, and yeah, the acting class that I did over the weekend, it was a Saturday and a Sunday. It was so insightful. I'm not gonna lie, Saturday I was super tired because I had only like 4 hours of sleep because of my flight that ended up taking longer than it should have, because I don't know if I explained, but they were basically only using 1 runway at the airport because it was really bad weather in Sydney. So we had to stay in the air and wait until we could land. So that was crazy. And at the airport, once I landed, like, because I had to walk to the Uber spot, it was pouring. My Travis Scott sneakers got soaked. I'm like so surprised how well they have held up. Like they look still like pretty perfect. So yeah, and my suitcases were soaked. I'm surprised nothing inside got wet, but yeah, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow, so that's it for today, and I will update you guys with whatever I do tomorrow. Hopefully I can get pictures in tomorrow's outfit. I'm just gonna rewear this in Perth because it is a bit of a Perth vibe outfit anyway. Anyway, that's it for today. Hey guys, so now it is Tuesday the 9th of April and I am going to be leaving Sydney today, and I'm currently packing my suitcases. There's literally not much to do, but I thought before I finish I'm going to show you the literally only 2 things that I bought yesterday. So yeah, let me show you guys that. Okay, I've got the 2 jumpers and they are both from Zara. I got this one from the City Zara store and then this one from the Bondi Junction store. So because now we are approaching a winter in Australia, so it doesn't get too cold in Perth where I live, so these should be pretty okay, especially this one. Like this one's so cute. It came in a cream, and then at the Bondi store I saw a charcoal color and I was like, damn, but I really like the green, and look, it actually like it matches my hat. Oh wait, that's kind of cute. I might wear that together. But yeah, she's a cute little like cardigan. But you can also wear it open with like a little like tank top or something underneath, or like a cami top. And then this one is a bit of like a chunk in there. She's kind of cool. She's got a bit of like cool detail here. But yeah, that's the other jumper. That's the literal only 2 things that I got on this trip. Maybe I'll get something else today. if I have more time to shop, because as I said in yesterday's vlog, I'm pretty sure I said I want to go to the Banksy like art exhibition thing. So if I have time after that, then I might pop into some more stores and see if I get anything. But I don't want to buy something just for the sake of buying something. So yeah, I was gonna tell you guys something else. Oh, that's what I was gonna show you. Did I show you guys my diesel bag? What happened to it? I think I did, but like, look at how bad my like tote bag came. Like, look at that. For my black blazer, it just like rubbed. I never knew my blazer did this before, and I'm pretty sure I've worn like my cropped black blazer with like white bags before, and it's never done it. So it must be just this blazer that I have. But yeah, anyway, I better go finish packing and I'll catch you guys later. Anyway, I'll show you guys the outfit really quickly. So I've got my Travis Scott's, don't mind the little mark there. I accidentally got some like soap and water when I was washing my hands. It literally just sprayed on my shoe, but it's drying up, so thank God. It was so much darker before. I was like so scared it was going to stain. But anyway, I've got my Travis Scott's on, my Glassons jeans, Glassons top, Dickies jacket. I just realized I wore this outfit the other day, so you guys already know what I'm wearing. But and then the hat is an addition. It's Marc Jacobs Heaven range, and then the necklaces are en route jewelry. But yeah, so hopefully I do actually get some photos in my outfit today, because it is cute and I didn't get a chance to get any photos in my outfit yesterday. So yeah, also I'm wearing my white diesel bag, which is slightly stained, but hopefully when I get back to Perth I will get a white leather cleaner and it will come out. It should, because it's real leather. So yeah, anyway, that's it.
Entranced by the green flags, the way your heels clack, phenomenal, so fine. I stopped me in my tracks, I had to look back, love when our worlds collide. I replay the scene, your mystique demeanor got my attention, can't lie. I sip my drink and forget the reason for this evening outside. Take me high, take me home. No pretending I know what I want. Feel the beat of your pulse and it's pulling me right back to you. Oh no, take me home. Finally a moment on our own. Here breathing, I'm close and it's pulling me back to you. Work of art, I'm feeling ya. Come on, reflection walking through the bar, and I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Slipping on my skirts when as I lock the door. Work of art, I'm feeling ya. Come on, reflection walking through the bar, and I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Slipping on my skirts when as I lock the door. We can go offshore. Driving down the curve and my back gets torn. Look into my